Two worlds spun close in the dark of the sky. Close wept thunder, Erytos cried. Molten clay rivers rose out of the black, carrying towers and tears that won't come back. They danced on the edge of a ghost field fire, drawn like lovers, lost in desire. The crust broke open, the sky turned red, even the stars looked away in dread. But we rode the rivers hand in hand, glowing like fireflies above the land. Even when the world came undone, we found love beneath the dying sun. Oh, the storm was wild and the nights ran deep, but you were the warmth I swore to keep. Vermilion hearts with bioluminescent light, males in love in the glow of night. Their skin sang songs, their patterns spoke in a world where the balance finally broke. The serpent came with lightning breath, markings of memory, scent of death. But it spared the gentle, spared the kind, as if it knew what the females couldn't find. Still we rode the rivers hand in hand, glowing like fireflies above the land. Even when the ghost field roared, we built a life the storms ignored. Oh, the world was cracked and the clay ran deep, but you were the vow I swore to keep. Their boats from serpent skin, wore disguises, held their sin. The matriarchs with silver blades chased survival through the masquerade. But a song rose up from the male refrain, so full of grief it tamed the rain. Even the Drelvith bowed its head to sorrow's song for the sacred dead. So we ride the silence hand in hand, carving peace through shattered land. We made our home from broken stone, from serpent scale and battles won. Oh, the stars may die and the rivers sleep, but you are the light I'll always keep. Clay rivers run where love has bled, but still we shine where angels